Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by signing into Roblox and confirming account age. That matters because some privacy toggles differ for under 13 accounts. Once logged in, open Settings and tap Privacy. You need to be on the account owner. Make sure any parent or guardian account is available if protection is enabled. Next, locate the Who Can Join Me and Join via Link options. These are the first actionable controls that allow link-based joining, and toggling them sets the stage. Now you change the key controls. Set Who Can Join Me to Friends or Everyone depending on your preference. Friends limits random joins while Everyone is more open. Once you select the appropriate level, enable Join via Link if the option appears. This directly allows clicking a link to enter your session. After toggling, save changes and double-check related settings like party invites and messaging so join links behave as expected. These steps make links functional and control who can follow them. Finish by testing the join link from another device or a friend's account. This confirms your changes took effect. If the link fails, clear your browser cache, relog, or update the Roblox app. Small sync issues often block links. Make sure parental controls aren't restricting link joins. For under 13 accounts, coordinate with the parent account to adjust settings. If problems persist, document the error and contact Roblox support with screenshots so you can get a definitive fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.